Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to change your Netflix language on your PC, on your iPhone, or on your Android. It's pretty much the same for every single device. So let's get started. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to log in into our Netflix account right here. If you have multiple accounts, what you will have to do is you will have to go to manage profiles right here. Once you're on your manage profiles, you will have to select a profile that you want to change the language for, right? Now, if you have many profiles, it will be, different, right? You will have to select the profile that you want. If you have just one profile, then you can just go to account settings and then change the settings there. But let's say if you have one or multiple profiles, click here and then go to language here and you can change the language right here, right? Let's say we want, Deutsch or English, we can click English and then we can click save, right? And once we save that, we can click done. And once we did that, right, we can just log in into that account and we can refresh the account as well if you're on your computer, or relog, right, on your devices, and you'll be able to have, English Netflix account, and you'll be able to change the language on your Netflix account. Now, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer all of your questions for you. Now, thank you for watching.